Hey everyone, before we get started with today's video, I wanted to give a special shout out to my top tier supporters over on my Patreon. Thank you Anne, Brenda, Cassandra, Christina, Claudia, Courtney, Coven, Explorer Jean, Fantasia, Renee, Sarit, Paige, PJ, Pumpkin Spice Hufflepuff, Rayshawn, Renee, Samantha, Sandy, Sarah, Savannah, Tori, Gabriella, Helva, Holly, Jennifer, Jessica, Katie, Lauren, Morgan, Natasha, and Heather. Also, a shout out to everyone over on my Patreon, and thank you so much for just watching today's video and being here and being a part of my community. It means so much to me. If you guys want to check out my Patreon and join us over here, we have a lot of fun. You can pick whichever tier best suits you, and you can cancel at any time. The link will be listed down below. Okay, let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Halloween Happy, where Halloween is more than just once a year. If you are new here, my name is Sam. So in today's video, we are going to be decorating my planner pockets, the inside cover. I talked about doing it in my last Plan With Me video, so I thought today would be the perfect day for that. Today's candle that I'm burning is this one that I got from Lively Ghost. It's called Footsteps to Fall. It's so cute. Look at all the jewels and the little flowers inside. If you guys are interested, you can shop livelyghost.com and you can save with my code Halloween Happy. All right, so this is what the current situation is inside my planner, and I last did the pockets for St. Patty's Day, so it's been a bit. And I also want to kind of redo this little shaker card. I'll probably take this page out. I'm gonna move this candle over here so I don't start a fire, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take everything out. And I also need to wipe this down because it's been a while since I've cleaned it. This is my first time using a white planner, and do I recommend it? Yes. But as you know, it does get dirty very easily, and I think I might be shopping around for a new cover just to kind of switch it up. I like the white for like during winter season, so since Halloween's practically tomorrow, I should get a different one. I'm also going to take these pages out. This is just little scraps of cardstock. And then this vellum I've been keeping in my planner, and I just love the pattern of it so much. It's so cute, but I'm going to try my hardest not to use it. Let's remove all the dog hair. And I don't recommend this, but this is how I'm just wiping this down. I'm just using a little wet cloth, and then I'm going to dry it with a paper towel. I feel like this is easy to clean, but the only thing about it is the thread. Since it's white, it tends to get kind of dingy because you can't wipe things off easily of fabric. The beginning process that I do is I kind of pick my paper that I want to use, and I was looking in this cardstock pack. I got this from Michael's maybe like 2 years ago perhaps. I really liked that star pattern, but I think it'd just be too much white. So I'm kind of liking this skull one, and then I love those borders. I thought I could use those for something perhaps. But I'm gonna try this spider web pattern, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it down. And I honestly never know what I'm doing until I'm actually doing it. And if you guys want to do this inside of your planner, definitely do it. Why not? It makes me so happy. I love it so much. I'll get comments on my videos. People will say, wow, that's a lot of work for nothing, or I don't have time to do that. And I don't know, I just make time to do it because this is kind of like a form of self-care, if you will. I love being creative. I love crafting. Plus, it's Halloween related, so that's even better. Usually I like to rotate the patterns in these pockets. As you can see how I'm messing with it right now. I was sent this little Halloween bag with like this little patch and ribbon, and I've been eyeballing this ribbon. I've wanted to use it for a while just because it's like a thick ribbon. The print is very clean on it. I also thought about using the sweet and spooky tag, but the orange was just going to be a little too vivid for this palette anyways. If you do use cardstock, like my tip would be is just to keep layering. That's like what I love to do. It's what I'm good at, I think. I also have these tags. I'm looking through them because I'm just not sure what I want to use. I like this bat one that says let's hang. The polka dot one is pretty cute. I'm also looking on the backs of them because there is a different pattern on the back. I think this polka dot one would just be too much black. Yeah, so I'm gonna do this bat one. Polka dot one, so cute. Who doesn't love polka dots? I also love this jack-o'-lantern print one. And then I used this last time, but I'm gonna go ahead and put that skull cardstock back in. I'm gonna go ahead and hole punch this tag and add some ribbon to it just to make it look more like a gift tag. And I think it might look better if I kind of have it tilted in this corner. Yeah, I like that. So here are some more little journaling cards. I'm just kind of seeing if there's anything I can use in these pockets. I like this one that says October 31st. I'm gonna see how I can put that in there. And normally for my pockets, I'll keep any kind of sticky notes if I have some, or little notepads. I also have these cute little embellishment, little sticker brad things. They're from Simple Stories. I feel like this little skeleton monster card is just not vibing with the vibe, you know? I'm gonna add back my little washi tape. I'm gonna just slide that into the pocket right there. And then I also have these little jack-o'-lantern toothpicks. I got these from Michael's, I think maybe last year perhaps, but I love how they're metallic on one side. And I just love that metallic orange. That's like one of my favorite things. I wanted something to take up space down here on this bottom corner, and I found this little styrofoam glitter bat sticker, and so I think I'm just gonna put this pumpkin on top so he's kind of like a little baddie jack-o'-lantern. I thought it was cute. And then with this pick, I'm just going to go ahead and put it in another pocket just to start layering. I really love this RIP sticker. I hope I can use that. I have these little jewels in my craft stash, and I love using them just to kind of add a little bit of bedazzle to things. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some black ones to this tag down here. I really wanted to use the orange jewels, but the orange is just still a little too vibrant. Maybe on the next one I can use them. And then on the side, just kind of going along the same line of adding the ribbon on the border, I'm gonna go ahead and add a few of these jewels. And I always go top, bottom, middle, and then I break up those sections because I'm not gonna measure and make sure that these are equal distance. I'm gonna add these little clothespins. I always call these paper clips when I do these videos, and when I re-watch them, I'm like, it's not a paper clip, Sam, it's a clothespin. But that orange Gone Batty one, that was a set that I got from Michael's a long time ago. And then the black one with the bat die cut, someone had sent me a pack of those. So now I'm gonna use these little embellished stickers that say boo. I love them so much. My friend got them in a lot from eBay, so definitely check eBay out because there's a lot of crafters that will sell their craft stash. Just adding these little skeleton metallic stickers, just putting them in any place that I feel like is kind of bare, that just is a little too bland. And then these little stars, they are actually button covers. I'm just gonna remove the backs of them and put them somewhere. I love working with these button covers. You can add them to anything and it just changes it up so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that down here on this tag. Next up, I have these extra tassels that I got a long time ago. And I just like making my own little paper clips and embellishing them with any little odds and ends that I have. So I'm gonna loop some extra ribbon around this just so it kind of makes the orange pop against the black ribbon. And then I'll definitely glue something on the top of it. And I was thinking about using this little skull pick. Cut some tails on the ribbon just so it's angled and it looks a little cleaner. See what it looks like up here. I just like having the little peaks of orange and black popping out of my planner. And then I really loved this Hocus Pocus card. I know the orange doesn't really go with the rest of the orange, but I think once it's blended in, it kind of looks the same. I'm gonna close it to see if anything falls out because I will be opening and closing this a lot and most of it is staying put. Let's get to this little pencil pouch that I use. I like to use it as like my own little shaker card. I loved this pattern. It's just the backside of the previous one I had in there, but I really liked the stars. I thought it was cute and I thought it would look good with confetti laying on top of it. This is just a normal clear pencil pouch and I hole punched it so it would fit into the planner that I have. Sometimes I'll keep like little confetti sequins in there and then also just little like quotes, maybe some affirmations as you guys saw that I just pulled out of there. I'm gonna go ahead and empty this and then we're gonna pick out some new sequins to put in there. This is my little sequins tub. I have so many different types of confetti. I love Halloween confetti. It just makes me so happy. I'm gonna use these jack-o'-lantern ones. Look how sparkly and shiny they are. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Ah, look at that. I love it already. I also don't really measure anything. I just kind of eyeball it. Since it's my own personal use, I know it doesn't have to be like really perfect. Look how cute that is, guys. Such a small thing to do, but I think it makes a big difference. It's so cute. And you can put like your little stick-it notes in there, little cards if you need them, pretty much anything. And then I just put my other affirmation cards up front for now. And I thought it came out so cute. It's so festive, so me, so happy, so cheerful. It definitely will be a mood booster every time I open this planner to get things done on my to-do list. I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you have been inspired to start doing a Halloween planner. If so, if you post it, tag me. I would love to see. If you guys want to get to know me a little bit better, you can follow me on Instagram. All my social media links are listed down below. And if you want to join my amazing Halloween happy community, definitely check out my Patreon. That link is listed as well. Take care of yourself. Hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.